Okay, guys, so I was recycling some stuff because I was low on gems, and then I realized that I had a glitched item. And let me show you this. Hold on, Josh. Oh my god, my baby sister's like purposely doing this right now. Okay, so you see how usually when you go out like this, it shows. So yeah, if you're going like this, you can see that it has a name tag. But then when I go to this glitched sweater, it has no name tag. It just, see, like nothing pops up. But when I go to the knitted sweater, yeah, something's gonna, uh, what? Hold on. Is this a glitch? Is it because, did I do something wrong? Okay. Did I just glitch my crap?
Yeah.
Not you, Jonah. Wait. What did I do? Hold on. No, I didn't, cause... Okay, there we go. Okay, it's just not working. Okay, it's just another glitch, but the sweater isn't glitched, but... Like, I can't even search this in the search bar. Like, I don't know what it's called. Like, even though it would be called, like, a holiday sweater. Holiday, nothing comes up. If I just put sweater, nothing comes up. It's like a glitched item that I've had for a while now. And this girl traded it for me, and she's like, it's glitched. I'm like, okay. I didn't really think of it because like it's always just been sitting around in my inventory. But now that I think of it, I'm like, man, this is probably a really rare item. Like, right? So I'm gonna go do some research and see if like this is actually a really, really good glitch. Maybe I can actually get some good stuff for it. But also it might not be worth anything just because the name tag isn't showing. So I'm not sure. I'll do some research. Okay, so I found it on this website, Fandom. I think a lot of people go here to see the worth of their items, and it looks like it's the least rarest item because it's a rim, but it's supposed to say rare Jamalade sweater. But when I go here and let me first take it off, and nothing comes up. So I have to go in my inventory and look for it by myself. I'm like really curious in this glitch. Okay, so oh, this is like so okay, here it is. Look it. Why is this doing this now? It wasn't doing this. Oh, there it is. Okay, see how they're all showing name tags? And for some reason this one isn't. Like everything is showing name tags. Like it's rare. Okay? It's the least rarest, but I can never click on this thing. Anyways, I'm gonna go to JAMA and I'm gonna see if like people would trade me good stuff for it. I just put glitch sweater on trade. It has no name tag. So let's see if we get any trades. Okay, I forgot that I had I forgot to record because people were trading me stuff. So one person traded me a gray beard, and then someone else traded me, I forgot, but I declined it because I feel like it could be worth more. Who? Okay. So, like, oh, I don't know how far I'm gonna go. Like, I want something good though. I already have this. I have like 2 of those, I think. What? Trade me cat ears. Okay, so yeah. Cupid wings, no thank you. Someone is in my den. Hello. Does she want to trade for the glitched sweater? Okay, how can I help you?
Here's the big cake. Yay.
What? That was so awkward. Okay, I'm gonna go to Alden. Store my data accept. Okay, yeah. Glitch sweater on trade. It has no name tag on what it's called. Okay. I feel like this is a scam. I feel like they're not gonna accept it. But yeah, I don't think they're gonna accept it because that was like too much. Lol. Yeah, very funny. Each one of the room is the same. What? I think each one. What? Okay, so this is the second time someone told me that it wasn't glitched. Of course, I didn't know. I thought it was because it didn't have a name tag, but she said that, yeah, they're all like that. They just came out in December as well. Oh, I'm like so upset now. I should have accepted some of those trades. But of course, that would have kind of been scamming, so. Sorry, friend. Okay, so that was kind of disappointing, but whatever. She said some are like that and some aren't, but whatever. Bye.